video about quiz expectations. So like before, we are going to try and have one quiz at the end of each week. These will be online quizzes, so they're going to be Schoology quizzes. And for each quiz on Schoology, you will have 2 tries, and we'll take the highest score. These quizzes are also going to be open notes, which means you can use your notebook, and it also means you can use your iPad. So if there's any apps on the iPad, like a calculator, that might help you, or if you want to go to Desmos, then you can go ahead and do that while you're taking the quiz. So I just want to show you what these quizzes will look like. I'm going to go to Schoology. So we are in our intermediate algebra course, and you guys should be in this week 1 folder right now in Thursday, April 9th. You should have already done the do now. You should be watching this video, and next you are going to take the practice quiz. In the middle, it looks like a yellow puzzle piece. So you won't be able to do this, but I'm going to go up to the top and click preview in the upper left corner, just to show you what your quiz will look like. So you guys will see this page. It says, taking this quiz is worth 1 practice point. You will have 2 tries to take the quiz. So this is just a practice quiz. A real quiz will be worth the same as a normal test or quiz in our class. So I'm going to click the button on the left middle that says Start New Attempt. The first question says, what color is this? So this crayon on the left middle is red. So below the picture of the crayon, I have 4 options: purple, blue, red, and green. I'm going to click red. The next question says, answer the following questions. 1 plus 1 equals, 2 times 5 equals, 3 minus 2 equals. If I click on blank 1, notice that it highlights the question that this blank goes with. So in the top left, it says 1 plus 1 equals, and the answer is highlighted in green. So in blank 1, I'm going to put the answer to 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1, which is 2. And notice it appears now in the answer box for 1 plus 1. Next we have 2 times 5. I'm going to click on blank 2. And now in the upper left corner, the blank for 2 times 5 is highlighted. We know that answer is 10. And then for the last one, I'm going to click on blank 3. Three minus 2 is 1. So we've filled in the 3 blanks for our Schoology quiz. I'm going to keep scrolling down. Question 3 in the upper left says, what is your name? So I'm going to click on the big box and type my name. Sophie Kasahara. Next, the question asks, are these numbers negative or positive? So this one is a matching question. So on the left side, you'll see column A has a bunch of numbers with a blank next to them. So let's look at the first number, negative 5. Is negative 5 positive or negative? Negative 5 is negative. And the letter that goes with negative in column B is A. So I'm going to type in A. And notice it matches our 2 answers together. Next, I'm going to go to 2. 2 is positive. And positive has a B next to it. So next to 2, I'm going to put a B. Three is positive, so I'm going to put a B. Negative 1 is negative, so I'm going to put an A. And negative 256 is negative, so I'm going to put an A. Our very last question says, order, drag. So drag means you click and hold something and move it up or down. So it says order, drag these so they make a house. So if I scroll down, I'm going to move these pieces around until it looks like a house. So it looks like I need to move this piece to the top. So I'm going to go over to the left of this piece where it says 2. And I'm going to click and drag that piece up to the top and let go. And now my picture looks like a house. When you're done, you can scroll to the bottom. And in the bottom left corner, it says review answers. Normally, this is where you would be able to look at your answers and decide if you think they're good. And then in the bottom left, you would click the button that says submit. So remember, you will have 2 tries to take this quiz. I hope that you found this video helpful, and after this video is done, you are going to try taking the practice quiz yourself. I hope you guys have a great weekend once you finish that quiz, and we will see you back on Monday. Bye!